Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about the sketch planes. And this is also the lecture where we create our first sketch. So that has to be exciting. I know we've been covering a lot about saving and opening files and different things, but now we actually get to start designing in SolidWorks. So I'm very excited about that. So to start, let's start a new part file and click your part and click OK. And in order to create any feature or sketch in SolidWorks, you need to know about sketch plane. So in my feature manager tree, this is what you start with. You start with 3 sketch planes, which they're always 3. So you have one for your front, your top view, and your right view. So when I hover over them, you can see them on my screen, each ones. Or another way to see all your sketch planes is without selecting anything, just click sketch, and it also shows you all your sketch plane. And you can click anyone in here to start drawing your sketch on. So I'm going to exit out of it. So for this example, we are going to draw a sketch on the front plane. So let's click the front plane and click sketch. And once you click the front plane and click sketch, a couple of things happen. Notice you get this red thing over here. So this just lets you know you are in sketch mode. This is your origin point. So this red triad is your origin point. So when I hover over it, you see that orange dot, that's your origin point. And we'll cover what that means. Your origin point just means that you always want your sketch to be somehow constrained to that origin point. It helps you locate your origin point in relation to the 3D space. So you always want to build your model around this origin point. So it will be more apparent as we go on in the lecture. And another way to know you are in the sketch mode is you see this accept button over here and this cancel button. So once you see these two, you know you are in the sketch mode. And another way to tell you are in the sketch mode is you see this exit sketch sign up here. So that also tells you you are in sketch mode. So to start drawing our sketch, let's just draw a line. So click on the line and let's just draw 4-corner rectangle. So you click the point, drag it out and click, and drag it out and click, and drag it out and click. So we've just created a rectangle and we've just drawn our first sketch on the sketch plane. And this is how you create a sketch in SolidWorks. And once you are done, you can come here. So I can click OK to accept that, and OK to exit out of my sketch mode. I'm not my sketch mode, but my line mode. Then I can click the accept button up here, and I've accepted that sketch. Then now I can go to my feature tab and do whatever I want to do with that sketch. That's how you create a sketch in SolidWorks on a sketch plane. Thank you. Hopefully this was clear. And if not, please leave a comment and I will explain further. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.